In order to be able to see the history of commits, we can use the git log command. Let's see. Git log, enter, and as we can see, we have 4 commits. They are ordered in a descending manner, with the most recent first. So we have here, for example, the SHA, which is a unique string that globally identifies a commit. We have the author, which is Felipe Gavilan, and his email. We also have the date in which the commit was made, and also we have the commit message. We can see the same for the other commits. And we also have this head and master, which is something that we're going to see later. For now, let's pretend for a moment that we have too many commits, and we don't want to display them all at the same time. Something that we can do is to say git log -n2. So for example, we only want to display the last 2 commits. So let's press enter, and let's see that now, instead of 4 commits, we can only see the 2 most recent commits. Also, something we can do is to see the commits that are related to a specific file. For example, let's say that I want to see the commits related to my test.js file. So let me say here git log test.js, enter. And as you can see, there is only 1 commit related to that file. If I want to check the log for another file, we can say git log, for example, test.txt, enter. You are going to see that in this case, we have 2. The one that added it and also the one that modified it. And if we want to see an abbreviated version of this log history, we can say git log 1 line, enter. And as you can see, we only have the first 7 characters of the SHA and the commit message, which again allows us to see some information about the commit history. And that is something, and that is the importance of the commit message. Because here, if the commit messages were not clear, we would have a lot of difficulty knowing what each commit does. For example, we know that this commit was for deleting a file, and also this one was for modifying a file and creating another, and so on and so forth. So as you can see, it is very important that we write concise but precise commit messages. And oh, notice something. As you can see here, by mistake we made an error. It should have said that we deleted the file test4.txt, not txt2. This was clearly an accident. So let's see how to fix it.